Percy is a fan of going on walks. I take his leash, I take his harness and put on him, and we just go outside. I made him a couple of harnesses, different colors. Most lizards just stay on the ground and don't move, but this guy, he loves running. Just in front of the house, he has his favorite moss. He loves walking on this moss. Our neighbor's reaction is, "Excuse me, what are you walking?"
What breed of dog is that?
Oh, that's a bearded dragon. Once we decided to go on a hike to Shenandoah National Park, and I was thinking, why can't we take Percy with us? Percy behaved like an angel. He will be sitting and watching what's going on. When we were back, he was wanting to go outside so much. We decided to take him with us to Chicago. He liked the car and watching through the window. In Chicago, it was sun shining, like terrarium weather. Nothing is better than natural UV light. When I was trying to hold him, she was always, no, I want to sit here and to observe. In winter, we cannot go outside because it's quite frosty. So his main activity are destroying and climbing. He's pretty busy in winter.
He loves to swim so much.
I bath him 2-3 times a week. Percy is a very good model.
I often put a hat and scarf on him.
I would describe him as a lizard celebrity because this is what he thinks about him. I do everything with him. We are the best friends.